Most people believe that starting a business requires a lot of money, connections, and experience, but in reality, that's just an excuse that stops them from even trying. In today's world, you can start a small business with almost nothing if you understand how to use your time and resources. The biggest problem is not money. It's confusion. People don't know what to do first, so they end up doing nothing. Step 1 is simple. Choose a clear and easy business idea that you can start immediately without overthinking. Don't try to build something huge from day one. Big businesses all started small and simple. Step 2. Focus on solving a real problem that people are already facing every day. If your idea saves time, makes life easier, or helps someone earn money, people will pay. Step 3. Start with what you already have instead of waiting for more. Your phone, your internet, and your skills are already enough to begin something small. Step 4. Start selling as early as possible, even if your product is not perfect. Perfection is the biggest enemy of progress. Action is what brings results. Step 5. Use social media as your main marketing tool because it's free and powerful. Post consistently, show your process, and explain why your product is useful. Step 6. Reinvest your profit instead of spending it on unnecessary things. Start small, start now, and improve as you go. That's how real businesses are built.